I think I have $5 of USDT in my Coinzoom account. So I am going to see if that's enough to take off the platform and send to my bank just as a quick video. So the first thing I want to do is I want to convert the $5 of USDT. If I go to portfolio, I see I have $5 worth of USDT in there. So what I want to do is to convert that to the US dollar and then send that to my bank account. So let's go over here to trade. Let's go back to trade. I want to click on USD. I want to search for USDT. So it comes up. I'm going to highlight that. And it tells me what the current market price is. Like I said, USDT and USD is almost a 1-to-1 ratio. So it's like 1.0008. So it's virtually the same thing, but just a little bit different. Okay, so I want to click on that, and I click on the sell, and it tells me I have 5 USDT available to sell. So I'm going to go ahead and here under amount, I'm going to put 5. Sell USDT plus fees. So let's see how much the fees are for $5 of USDT. Your stop order to sell 5 USDT has been placed. Further notifications will be sent when the order is processed. So I'm going to go ahead and click close. And then I'm going to go over here to portfolio. Well, orders will show the order, right? So it's here, and it's showing that I'm selling the $5, and it says it's filled. So now I'm going to go to portfolio. It shows here I have $4.99 in my USD wallet, so it charged me a penny to convert that to the US dollar. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on withdraw here. And there's 2 ways that I can do it. I can do a debit card withdrawal, or I can send a wire withdrawal. There's a $25 fee to send a wire withdrawal, so I'm obviously not going to do that. This ACH bank withdrawal, that is coming soon, so that is not available yet. But right now I have debit card and I have wire withdrawal. So I'm going to click on debit card, and then I'm going to select the card. It has to be a card that I've previously used already. Okay, so I'm going to use a debit card, and so I put the $4.99 here, and for fee reduction I put from amount. So it's I don't know, it's a point something % fee for sending it through your debit card. Whatever that fee is, it'll just take it out of the $4.99 Visa. Now it has to be a card that you have previously used with Coinzoom. And so what I did a few weeks ago was I just bought $5 worth of USDT, which is where that $5 came from, with the credit card. And so now it's a debit card that I've already used. Put in a card number, security code, expiration date, and then I'm just going to hit submit. We'll see what happens. Now it wants me to put in my my Google authorization code, my authenticator code, 388212. Boom, your withdrawal has been accepted. My friends, that is how you take your money off of Coinzoom into your bank account. And it shows you here the withdrawal history. And that's how it's done.